Once a week, every Sunday, I'll be sending out a challenge to my email list and Patrons to test you and your knowledge. These tasks should take no more than an hour of your time and is a good way to practice without just copying and pasting. If you want to join these challenges, sign up for my email listing, which is free, or join my Patreon. Link is down below.
Welcome back, everyone. In this video, we'll be going over the ladder challenge. So your task was essentially just to make a ladder. Now, I already have everything set up, so let's go through the basic idea. So this one was not too difficult, but you had to grasp the idea of, I guess, Booleans. So that is the main challenge here, is Booleans. So first, we have an area 2D as our ladder, and I graciously have put our Godot icon as the ladder image because I couldn't find an actual ladder image, at least, Anyways, so that's our ladder, and we connected the signal into the player. Now, you don't have to connect it into the player, sorry. You could just put it into itself in its own script. And then what you could do, of course, you would need to check if it's a player. And then you can say if, not if, just body on ladder is equal to true here. So if we enter this ladder, we'll say true. If we exit the ladder, we'll say false. And what is this on ladder? This on ladder is a true or false variable that we're going to add. It's a Boolean that is just true or false, and it will keep track if we're on the ladder or not. Now, all we need to do now is two things. First, I'm going to add a condition on my gravity to not add it if I'm not on the ladder, or only add it if I'm not on the ladder. So if I am on the ladder, it's not going to add gravity anymore. Now, what we're going to do now is if we're on the ladder, so here we're going to check to see if we're on the ladder. And if we are, we're going to check for up and down. Now, if we are pressing down, then we'll go down. And if we're pressing up, we'll go up with our velocity. Now, if we're not clicking any of these, though, we want to set the velocity to 0. All right, so now if I play, you can see here, if I go to I can jump up and down just like a normal platformer, go to my player, press up and down just like a ladder. And if I leave, I'll fall down just like normally. And if I go to the top, I kind of act as a ground here, and that's it. So that is my ladder mechanic. Now, this would generally work pretty well. Of course, you might want to adjust it accordingly. Like maybe you don't want to do this if you're on the ladder. So if you say if on ladder, or let's say here, if we're not on the ladder, then we can do all this. Of course, we'll want to move and slide anyways, though. And now I should be able to not, whoops. What did I get wrong here? If not, okay, I want to put this in here. There we go. Now that should work. Let's try one more time. And now I can't move right and left when I'm on the ladder. So I must essentially get off the ladder to jump off at some point. All right. So now this kind of creates that that I need to be on the ladder in order to move, essentially. All right. That is it for this challenge. I hope you guys had fun with this one. There is a lot of variety that you can do with it, but the basic idea was just understanding and going over Booleans and essentially putting something on and off as a trigger, right? So in this case, it was a ladder that we want to go on and off. And so that is what we're going to use, an on ladder variable, and that is it. I will see you all in the next challenge next week.